The medics are entangled in a legal suit with the Council of Governors and the Labour Relations Court over their ongoing strike. The court ruling in favour of the Council of Governors has outlawed the strike action by doctors and nurses, ordering the medics to return to work. But the union leaders are digging in, insisting the industrial action is still on. Both parties are required back in court on Monday next week.
Start by obeying it. When you come with an ego that we don't want to obey, the court will also come with an ego that they don't disrespect us, so we'll never listen to you then.
The Council of Governors went to court early December and obtained a court injunction stopping the strike. Doctors and nurses, however, proceeded on with the strike, forcing the governors to troop back in court, seeking warrants of arrest for the union leaders for ignoring the court order. Subsequently, the union bosses were summoned to court today, where the strike was declared illegal. The week-long strike has paralyzed operations in major hospitals across the country, with KDF medical officials called in to salvage the situation at Kenyatta National Hospital. Over 10 lives have been lost as the unions and the government haggle over pay structures.
They have said a new agreement must be entered under the stewardship of the General Secretary.
Yes.
That the General Secretary is the only official spokesperson of the union.
Yes. As per the
that
law.
Nobody is allowed to speak on behalf of the Kenya National Union of Nurses other than the General Secretary.
Nurses have rejected a deal signed by a section of the union leadership. Apparent divisions within the National Union of Nurses, pitting Secretary General Seth Panyako on one hand and Chairman John B. and his Deputy Secretary General Maurice Opeto on the other hand, stirring confusion. While B's faction appended their signature on a deal with government and the Council of Governors, Seth Panyako rejected the return to work formula at the union's National Governing Council yesterday. Sam Ogina, Citizen Live at 1.